this journey through the stars, where anything is possible, and your most cherished dreams come true. From way up here, it's almost like we're part of the sky, and all your wishes may come true.
Wait, what is happening? Star!
Oh, I forgot!
The street lamps look like stars. Peter, do you think all those people can hear us?
seen the stars sparkle like this before?
Oh, it's so magical!
Come on, everybody. Wish upon a star.
I wish that this night would never end!
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold.
Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way.
Every wish that we put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who
of a faraway place where the heroes would be waiting for me. Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the story, the losses and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.